Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. For today's video, we are making Dalgona coffee using dark roast coffee from Panera. Yes, that's right. Well, I purchased that $8 subscription from Panera. You get like unlimited coffee from that's a lot of coffee, guys. But anyhow, let's start the video. Alright, starting with some turbinado or raw sugar. I'm using this one because it adds a really nice color at the end. And now we're going to add just a little bit of that Panera dark roast coffee, and we are going to mix this for 2.5 minutes. Two and a half minutes because I'm using the mini electric ones. But if you're mixing this manually, it will take you at least 8.5 minutes or 8 minutes top, I guess. Guys, if you're new here, I post fun short videos weekly. If you like this one, please give it a like, comment down below, and share it with your friends. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And look at this, guys, looking good. I think it's getting there. Let's check it to see if it's ready. I think I've been mixing this for a minute. Let's see. Yep, it needs another minute and a half or so. I hope you guys are staying safe. We're facing this crisis. I hope this ends soon though, because I miss eating at the restaurants with my friends and families, things like that. All right, let's check this again. All right, it's ready. Let's get our ice ready. And we're going to add that in and pour some milk in there. All right, there you go. Look at that. That looks so satisfying to watch, right? I hope you guys are staying safe. Like I said, if you like this video, please share it with your friends and give it a like and comment down below. And as always, guys, see you on the next one. Oh, this looks a little boring. Let's add a little bit of sprinkles in there. All right, bye.